Hello everyone, welcome back to Justify Designs. The design landscape is rapidly evolving and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Today, we are diving deep into the trio of AI tools that are reshaping the way we design. These tools aren't just about efficiency, they're about unlocking new levels of creativity and innovation. First up, we have Adobe Firefly, a powerful AI tool integrated into Adobe Creative Cloud. Think of it as your creative co-pilot, assisting you in every step of design process. With Firefly's text-to-image generation, you can simply input a text prompt like a futuristic cyberpunk city and watch as it generates stunning visuals. This is totally a game changer for concept artists, providing endless inspiration and saving countless hours of sketching. But Firefly's magic extends beyond generation. It is a master of image editing and enhancement. Want to remove a distracting element from a photo, change the background, or upscale a low-resolution image to a high-resolution image? Firefly can handle it all, delivering the pristine results with minimal effort. Next, let's explore Midjourney, a text-to-image AI tool that is renowned for its ability to create hyper-realistic and imaginative images. Midjourney can generate high-detailed images of people, objects, and scenes that are often indistinguishable from the real photography. This is invaluable for creating unique visuals for your design projects, whether it is a product concept or a marketing campaign. But Midjourney isn't just about realism. It can also generate images in various artistic styles, from classic paintings to futuristic concepts. This opens an endless possibilities for the creative expression. You can experiment with different styles, combine elements, and push the boundaries of your imagination. Lastly, we have Glorify, an AI-powered design platform that simplifies the creation of stunning visuals. Let's explore how it works.
You can access the AI image generator directly from the toolbar or by going to the library and clicking the AI image button at the top. Describe the image you want to generate. The more precise your prompt, the more accurate the final result will be. Select a preset based on the style you want. There are different options you can choose from. Learn all different presets by clicking on the info button here. Scroll down to the image generation settings to explore different styles, dimensions, sizes, and other granular options to make the image truly your own. Select multiple images to generate different versions from the same prompt. And let your imagination do the rest.
Glorify offers a vast library of templates for social media graphics, presentations, and more. Simply customize the template with your content and AI will automatically generate professional-looking designs. This is perfect for designers who need to create a large volume of visuals quickly and efficiently. Glorify is also a great tool for creating brand assets like logos, color palettes, and typography. The AI can suggest design ideas based on your brand guidelines and saving you time and effort. This ensures consistency across all your brand materials. As we have explored, AI is no longer a distant future. It's a powerful tool shaping the present. By embracing these AI tools, we can push the boundaries of creativity, streamline workflows, and deliver exceptional results. The future of design is here, and it is powered by AI. So what we are waiting for? Dive into the world of AI and let your creativity soar. Remember, the best designs are often born from a blend of human ingenuity and technological innovation. That's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to Justify Designs for more design tips and future AI tools. That's all for this video. Bye.